This tutorial will go over a few networking commands that are commonly used for gathering system information and troubleshooting networking issues. Commands that we will discuss are ipconfig, hostname, ping, nslookup, traceroute. The first command we will look at is ipconfig, which stands for Internet Protocol Configuration. It can display both the physical and IP address. It is mostly used to identify a machine's address information on a network. Let's take a look at the hostname command. Hostname command with no additional options shows the hostname of the computer. The ping command examines the connection between a local and a remote machine. It transmits some data to the remote machine and waits for a response. If the host is able to establish a connection, it will report the round-trip time for each packet. Let's check this with the command prompt. Ping google.com. The source will then send 4 data packets to the server, and if the server responds with 4 response packets, that is 4 sent and 4 received, it means that network connectivity is normal. The time field specifies the round-trip time for an individual packet in milliseconds. Next is nslookup. It is used to query the DNS for domain name, IP address mapping, or for any other specific DNS record. In command prompt type nslookup, which will open a subshell for you to enter the domain name. Let's type the domain google.com to get the A record or IP address associated with that domain. Because we did not specify a record type, it returns the A record as default. If you want the name server record, enter type equals ns followed by the domain. To query a domain's SOA record, change the type to SOA. Let's take a look at another useful command, traceroute, which extends the functionality of the ping command. In Linux, the traceroute command displays the path that a packet takes to reach the host. It is useful for troubleshooting network issues because it provides a report on the path that packets take to get from the local machine to the remote host. It also displays the number of hops taken during the entire transmission route. This command prompt shows how the traceroute command is used to connect to the Google host from the local machine, as well as the details of all the hops that it passes through in the process. If there is packet loss in first few hops, we can assume that the problem is with the internet service provider or the user's LAN network. However, if there is packet loss close to the route's end, there is a network problem on the server side. That is all about the networking commands. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.